Hello, good morning. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? So, welcome you all. So, today நம்ம என்ன டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட மார்க்கெட் ஸ்கேல் நேத்திக்கு எப்படி இருந்துச்சு, நம்ம நேத்திக்கு எப்படி பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுச்சு, நம்ம எடுத்த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் தென் அதில் நம்ம ப்ராஃபிட் பண்ணோமா, ஸ்டாப் லாஸ் பண்ணோமா, அது ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட் இனிஷியல் மார்க்கெட் எப்படின்னு பார்த்துருவோம். ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்துட்டு ஸோ we will go for an market view. So we have around 5 minutes. So especially I'll write myself, you know that all. So what I will do, especially I'll just write whatever the trading process which I'm doing now. So let's open the yesterday market. Yesterday market, I told you it was in a bearish. So it was in a bearish as I expected. And I got chopped in between somewhere because I have taken hurry in the trading. In, I have taken somewhere here. Actually, it was coming to break the zone. I was marking the zone somewhere here. So it's broken. I have taken a trade here. And I kept my stop loss somewhere here. And it has come to the stop loss. Then I moved again to the short. Again, this place, then again hit the stop loss. So my first trade was completely, the stop loss was hit. And second trade, of course, yes, I have taken a trade here. And again, it has come once again. It has been broken also. Then again it's get chopped somewhere here because I kept my trailing stop loss very low in this area. So what I yesterday I have taken a two trade, but I was end up in a loss. So this one, so it's trading is I told you it's just a game. So we will be get chopped in between. So that's absolutely fine, but only thing that we should not be get every day chopping. So let's see, because sometimes we will do all 4 days will be lost, but the last day my every loss it will be get covered, and then I will be in profit in the end of the week. So same which I'm following the same concept, same everything, so which I'm following every day, and we will discuss on how the day it will go today. So okay, so you know that we are discussing on monthly, weekly and daily. So then after we will go to the order flow. First we will go to monthly. So monthly, I told you it was in bearish and completely on an expanding market. On our case, it's came to the POC. I think on 14th I have told you. So market will about to touch this POC. So the same has been yesterday. It's met. So this is what monthly chart, and weekly, of course, it's on a single time framing. So it is supporting to the monthly. And daily chart, if it comes completely the range has been shifted, but you see the last 2 days how it is. It's giving a compressed profile completely, this area, this complete area, this complete area. So what it does mean that like poor low, but the market is very weak. So they are saying it is too short. Like it shows us very clearly that too short in the market. So anytime it can be uh, go for an a long like short covering process can be done. So that is what, because here poor high, poor low and poor low both side are there, and here clearly it shows selling side. So what's happened? We will check what are the things. We will check monthly, weekly, and daily, and then previous day volume how it is. We will check. For that, especially you can use your like whatever the trading account you have, that you can use it. And now we'll see my chart. Let me open my trading wave. So volume, it's actually it's nearer to average, but it's little higher than day before yesterday, like yesterday and day before yesterday both. And then we will see the value migration. So value migration, it's completely the 100% value migration has been done regarding to the market profile and regarding to the volume profile both. And then it's made on a compressed profile, and it's made on a like kind of a super ledge. It is there. And then comparison on the volume also like it's slightly bearish. So I'm in bearish mode today. So let's see where it will get opening. Maybe in downside, if it is opening, it will continue to this POC. And you remember that day before yesterday also we were in the target of these two areas. So may possibly today it will hit this target. And if in case the market opening inside the range, again we will see the range bound market. Again, if it is open the above the value area or above the out of the range, then it can come forward. So this we can able to this POC again we will focus on this POC. So this is all four references. Now above we will have three references and below we have one reference, and we can find another reference also from here. So what's happened here exactly we'll see. See, actually here one failed action is here. So C period it has come and with a low volume, and it has been given a good momentum over there. So we will take this failed action also in our list, like in our reference list. So this is what we are expecting from the market. Okay, so it's very clear that what all are the levels, and then we will find out the 10 minutes POC, that naked POC if anything are there. And I could find out one naked POC here, this naked POC, and here also. So let's see the market is opened above and where it will get this thing. Wow, it's a gap up opening, so we need to check it out, like what kind of news is there. So it's exactly it's came into the POC and outside of the range of yesterday. So looks like a complete jump from the short, like two short markets. So let's wait and watch because it's opened out of the range, and we need to wait for the B period. It shall come for an inside the range, or it's mapping on this area. So if in case the top side, then it will come to fill this elongated profile. See this elongated profile here there. So that is what. So this profile I'm not happy last 2 days also I told you. So may it can come and fill this profile and can come back again. Okay. Is there any doubt? If you have, please just comment so we can able to just shut it out. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? So actually we are trying one new software, which is that Bell TPO, which is permanently we can buy it instead of giving an a subscription for every day, like every month and every quarter once we need to give on a subscription for this software. But we are finding a permanent solution, and I'm using it on background. So once it is done, I will let you know. So we will change it to that software. But anyway, we have this software till like another 4 months. We have till I think December. I have so till December I will be using this. Maybe from next January, I will go for an new software. So that is what my planning. So let's try. So what it does, like opened in out of balance and it trying to go upside, and it finding another references where it is. So once the reference will get it, then we'll see. So you know that we are using only two charts, which is market profile and candlesticks. So now order flow I'm using very less. Like order flow I will be like seeing where is the orders are coming up and going and all. But order flow I don't prefer as of now, and we need to be get expert in the market profile, then we need to see. Let's wait. What we like what we are going to refer, see the one Here we are getting a rejection. I think here we have a naked POC that is in 5 minutes. Yes, that's in a 5 minutes. It's a big order. Maybe it might be having in here it is the naked POC. This area we can see. Let's wait. We're not in a ability to take any kind of a trade. So what I have come to say that like how we are using as a candlesticks as a reference. See now, yesterday what has been done? Market has opened here, came and just range bound. Just on a range bound has been happened. Here it is like this. So what we are expecting, like I have taught you this, I have taught you the same thing yesterday also. We are looking for an a rally and base and again rally and base and rally. So what we are getting from here, so we are just finding this location, this location, this location. So what we are doing it, we are seeing all the, we are analyzing all the parameters and we are taking trade here or we are taking trade here. So this is what we are getting into the market. So you're okay now. It's like you're you don't need to get confused. So this is a simple principle which we are using. So however we are keeping our some principles are simple and would be great. So why I am using market profile, so for understanding the market, like which directions is going up, everything. So what I said, monthly is expanding. Let me write myself. Monthly, I'm just writing an expanding mode downside, and weekly it's supporting. That means is that still also expanding. So even though OTF is there in the monthly chart, become this OTB like OTF is now completed. So in today just they return back. But anyway, let's see. So it's opened out of the range and it is in the bearish mode. The weekly I can mention it is bearish, and daily I have mentioned that we have multiple scenario, like previous day volume little higher than day before yesterday, and previous day volume profile completely moved downside, and what are the parameters we'll see, and then value migration. So value means this is the value area. So the value area completely migrated to downside, and then the volume distributions. So volume distributions, if you see, volume distributions, you need to check on a howback. From the howback you need to so you see this one. So POC is farm downside, all the volumes are downside. So that means like we are expecting like downside, like the directions is downside. So let's see. So value migrate, value distributions, like it's on downside. I will mention downside. These are the things. So let's wait for a moment because it's already it's on a peak, it's on out of the range. So I am waiting for to form something kind of on a base. So once the base is done, so wherever the base is breaking, so that area we can able to take an a trade. So okay, We'll mark this as a reference first. Let's finish this first 5 minutes candle. So first 5 minutes candle is about already finished, and second 5 minutes candle also is about to finish. Let's see. So what I feel actually, it came to like kind of an fill this structure. If in case it should fill the structure, means it should break the levels and it should go here. So it will fill this area structure if the bias are strong. But if bias are not strong, definitely like it should come back. Let's wait and watch. So we don't want to get chopped anywhere. So today, I'm expecting today kind of on a range bound market. Maybe it will give on a single side because already the moves are already done in the gap. So we cannot able to predict now itself. It's yearly, but still we have to be very much sure that what is happening in the market. We need to get to know yearly. So whoever gets yearly, so they are going to win the market. So that is what. So what I'm doing now, so I'm just watching the levels. I'm not doing any trading because yesterday also we burned our finger like from exactly we have taken a trade here and it went up. So it taken here, it went up, hit our stop loss and came down. Our view was correct, but our entry location was strong because we believed that it has been broken. So this level has been broken. So here, so it's not broken, then again it went hit stop loss and came down. So we have to be very careful when we take on a trade and then this thing. So I'm looking here that buyer exhaustion. So buyer exhaustion, if it is there, then it can come down, or if seller goes strong, then again it will come down. Let's wait. So here should be the aggressive sellers. And there is one concept is there. So when market breaks the value area low, there should be an a responsive buyers. And if it is goes above the value area high, it there should be a responsive sellers, or the responsive sellers, if they change it to aggressive, then the market will come aggressively to the downside. So let's come to on a monthly day predictions. The day predictions is generally it should form a B period. So first IB range should build up, then only we can prefer it. But still monthly is very bearish, weekly is very bearish, and daily also the opening is outside opening, and we need to get checked it's accepted or rejected. Like opening is outside the previous area or like previous day value area, and still like opening where it is, the opening is here. This is open test drive, like here it's a value area low, it's tested this place. So I'll be waiting, I'm not trading because I wanted to farm on a proper base. So the base should prepare it, then I will be trading, like I'll be executing my orders. And one more thing, just put on a disclaimer here that I'm not a SEBI registered research analyst. So whenever you do your trading, please consult your financial consultant and then do your own analysis and take a trade. And this is my view about Nifty today. And this is only for an educational content. Like educational content means I'm just putting my ideas to you. So if it is right, you take, or if it is not right, just ignore it. It should not be the person always right, right? Let's see, the super ledge is here. How many times it got rejected in this place? Mostly we can consider this complete zone as a ledge. So how it is going to defend this area? How the sellers are going to defend this area? So now exactly the levels where we marked, so that area has been defending the areas. Let's see, because see the sellers, see the sellers, see the sellers. So it's showing just an idea about it. So let's break it any side. So then only we can able to try something. Because we need to check OA as well. So OA data where it is. So today our references 24,000 put option still it's very high, and today our reference 24,200. So the call and put they are fighting very well in this area. So we need to check which side the people are. So how they are going to defend those levels. So overall market, let's check it up. So overall market, how it is going on. So it's broken the levels of upside. So let's see so how it is going to happening, because it's exactly nearer to the super ledge level. Sellers also like there is no sellers. Let's see. So it should close upside of it. So then only we can take it up any side, because today also it's going to be a chopping day, like kind of on a range bound day. Let's see. So this candle will decide where it want to move. So I'm analyzing on that OA chart. So OA chart, especially today, The call OA was in minus the change, but put OA is 1.89 crores, which is accumulated in 24,200. That's why the levels 24,200 is defending a lot. So we have to check all the side before taking on a trade, before go for on a trade. So it has been broken this level, but still I wanted a close above this area. So it's formed on a base exactly, but still it should be closed above this area. So then I will be confident about it, like on the bias. But before that, I don't proceed anything. So that is what I told you, that because I'm not confident in the buyers today, because they have to be like exactly standing on this level. They are defending buyers and sellers both very strongly, but today the call unwinding happened a lot, like because it was opened a gap up, no, so everyone was expecting downside and market gap up. So that means all the stop losses it hit. So that's why all unwinding has been happened, and now 24,200 levels is defending. So 24,200, how long it's going to defend it? So that is what the question now, because the call options writers should get some time now. So I will show you my chart. Mm, let's see. Oh, you can see my screen, right? Yeah. So see this unwinding. See this unwinding. Yesterday market was somewhere here and suddenly jumped this many points. Then how it will be? See, like the cash system that people used to do say, right? Exactly, it was finished somewhere 24,078. Suddenly it went to 24,200. It's 200 points up. How the people like it? It will get like exactly the stop loss will hit, no. So see this unwinding here, unwinding here, unwinding everywhere. So the same process has been done. That is what. So we'll wait for some time. So we'll accordingly will plan our trade. So we are not in any kind of hurry to take on a trade in this location. Actually, the close has been done above this level. So now I will be little confident. So let's see how the levels they are going to respond. So we are waiting still. So we are just seeing this area how it is going. Still the close is above. We are confident on the buyers now. So let's see. So the buyers how they are reacting to it. So we need to check either it's rejecting an HVN or not. So let's check it up. Like it's rejecting a HVN because this is a strong HVN. This is high volume node. The B period gets started. So A period is there, and we need to see the B period rejection from the same location, the HVN. So then we can clearly tell that buyers are so confident. Let's wait because working properly. So it's it should come and reject from the same location. So we need to check where it is getting rejections. So I wanted the rejection from the same the HVN period. So if it is a HVN period itself, it's getting the B period rejection, then it could be a strong. So it could be a strong moment. Then they can reach this location, this POC. And clearly the volume profile POC is there, but still there are many anomalies are there. This structure kind of a weak structure. So this can able to build as a strong maybe in this area. And you don't see this kind of orders, just see the levels where we exactly marked, where we the rally and base concept where we are working on it. And overall market, if you see that total call and total put is equal, 9.6 crore and 9.8 crore. Let me reload it. We'll see exactly who is in the race. And OA change, if you see the call OA, it is in negative. The put OA, they are very strong, 2.65 crores. It's hard to break. The unwinding is happening all the time. It's ready for rally, I think so. Let's see. So this area, everyone is going to buy. I don't know. Exactly, the high volume node is here. So 500, 250, 200, 384. This high volume node here as well, and then the rejections we wanted to get from this POC. So of course, it's coming to this level. We delete that one. Actually, what I'm doing that I'm just doing an back walk because I want to see the last week the range. So the last week, what we will do that like till 18 now, till 18, 12th to 18th, we will draw a zone. So 12th is here, 12 to 18. Yeah, so we got it. So it's came into inside the range, and then you can see the anomaly of weekly this area and this area and this area. So this complete area, it's kind of on a weak structure. Like this complete area is kind of on a weak structure. So market also is standing exactly near to this place. So it means that it will try to push through and then it will come to this value area low. So I will just mark this value area low also, 24,634, and I'll delete these levels. It's little confused. Okay, so we'll see. So this level first of all, because that was a volume profile, I think, so I marked the last day that levels. So now we can see, right? Yes. So now we are in clear picture. So this level ledge, it's act as an resistance, and it's already getting breaking this area. So we are expecting to this level 24,364. We are expecting first target this POC and second target would be this. And even though the POC is here, like market profile POC is here, let's wait and watch because we are seeing many unwindings in the markets, and will be move forward. And we are in the kind of an opposite directions. Monthly we saw expanding, weekly we saw supporting, and then daily is opened the gap up. So with our context is completely contradiction is there. So we have to we carefully we need to trade. So that is what I come to say. So what we did, we waited, we form a range, and we saw the which side there is a rejection. So we saw the rejection and we saw the closing here, and we checked the OA. The OA was completely the put side was strong, 24,200, and so we are seeing our next target should be here. So that is what our expectation as of now I am seeing. The extension I'm seeing somewhere here, or if in case these levels are getting rejections, then this will be kind of on like kind of on this profile completely, it will be form as a failed action profile. So either it can make a failed action profile, or either it can push to that target these levels. Those two possibilities as of now we have. We'll go and check the buyer's capability and seller's capability with the AI, like the OA chart. So I'm seeing in the confidence of buyers because 24,200 put options are there, and even some unwindings also happened there. So that is what. Let's see where they are going to take up the market, and market has taken a small pause. We deleted this zone, and again we are drawing the same zone. So morning only I have told you today going to be a chopping day because I am expecting the neutral kind of a profile. But let's see how it is. Hmm, did you watch one thing in the market that in weekly we are getting 1 or 2 days for the like kind of trending. So that day we need to capture properly. So if we get that day, then we are absolutely fine. Yes, of course, I'm just watching because why I'm in the confident of this thing, like they are very strong, like the buyers are strong, that's why. So this B period you see, uh, very less, almost 11 minutes only the balance. So still now it's not given on a breakout of this level. See, exactly they're standing here. So we are seeing responsive sellers, but still the buyers are strong. Still, OA I'm seeing OA is still unwinding is happening. Not that like they are accumulating the positions here. Still unwinding is happening. It's 65 lakh minus 65 lakhs in the market, and put options is 2.86 crores. Uh, much. Okay. So, like, today. So see this, the rejections again is happening from the same location, this area. Let's wait and watch. So it comes inside the last week, inside the range, but not in the value area. The value area low I have marked here. Still, I'm confident in the buyers because whatever the levels we have marked, they were put in the close here. We'll see the best how the best is going to happen. So small IV, the possibility have only 2 days, like kind of which are the days I will tell you. So in especially the small IV, either it could be a trend day or non-trend day. But I feel today it's going to be a non-trend day because trend day, the expectation, like the opening also good, and but the weekly and monthly, I'm still not happy because they are in expanding mode and weekly also the supporting mode. So how it will give an opposite directions. So it will just range bound. It will happen now. Let's wait for some time because all the profits are went up in the gap up only. So the huge gap up. So that's why the directional is not so far is expected. Because morning I was completely bearish because my monthlies, weekly, everything was bearish mode. So it's going to be a gap down or dynamic opening and all. But it was gap up opening has done. So good because we are seeing different style of market. So we will get used to do this one, and while we do our live trading, it will be very very helpful to us. So long it's actually defending this level. So either it has to break this area. Even if I take a trade also, I will keep my stop loss strictly to be here. டாப் சைடு பிரேக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஒரு ரேலிக்கு ரெடி ஆகலாமா? நான் நல்ல வால்யூமோட தான் பிரேக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஐ எம் எக்ஸ்பெக்டிங் exactly to 24,300. Let's see. 24,300. Here it is 364. So 300, where it is 300, 300. Here it is. So our target is here. So let's see. So our confidence was so well still actually. So it's going upside and we'll see only the candlesticks. It's rising good. And we have 30 minutes naked profile, like naked POCs here. So this naked POC also we can focus 345. Let's see so where it is going to perform. So this is a very good naked POC. So C period, it's moved up, and OA chart, still the put options are so strong, and overall market 67 lakhs. Call unwinding is happening again. The put options bias are very high, 3 crore plus the OA change today. And overall market, the put is leading, so 10 crore. So it shows clear fight against put. So for us, B period is finished, so we can calculate the day how it is. First of all, we'll see the range. So this is around 59 points or 6 TPOs. Out of 6 TPOs, almost filled 3 TPOs. That means more than 50% got filled. Opening was very strong outside, and it is accepted outside. Like outside opening, it's got accepted, and then IB, we can say it is low IB, and then it is open test drive, and it is strong because of opening was very good. And then AB overlap is almost 50%, like more than 50% I could say, because 3 and 5 TPOs and 3 TPOs already it's filled, so that means it's more than 50%. So like this is buying tail, not so much confident, so it should at least minimum 3 should required, like 2 is fine but 3 should required. Very bearish, very bearish. So the confidence was less to the upside, but still the bias was so strong. That is why. So let's see so how it's going on. Our targets was very clear. Our target was somewhere here. So C period, it's very important for us. So this is what my view. So let's see. So we are waiting. Like even if anything is there, I will update you further. Let's see. And it got rejected exactly from the B period. So let's see how it is going to work. And thank you so much for joining today. So tomorrow we'll see. I think tomorrow I will not be available. Maybe until Sunday, till Monday I will not be available. Tuesday, yes, of course, I will be doing live. Um, so trade responsibly. So this is what my like simple advice to everyone. Whenever you get chopped, you out of from the market. Okay.